ago, nag-mow muna ako. I've mowed today. I mowed the lawns today. Ronald is resting for a bit, and I actually had fun. And so this is the mall here in where we live in this town called New Plymouth. Right, parking. And actually, so Ronald treated us for our laser. We do that every 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks of laser for hair removal. And so this is actually the time as well that Louie and I goes on a date. Date lang kami ni Louie. Hi, ate. Ayun guys, actually sobrang maliit lang mall nila dito. 3 floors. Ganyan. Kasi parang SM department store nila is parang yung farmers. So it's really tiny. Pero, I don't know, we got used to it. Dumating kami dito 2012 and medyo na-shock kami kasi galing kami sa Singapore. And sa Singapore, ang lalaki ng malls and shopping and everything.
I wanna go too, but
Yeah. Tapos pagdating namin dito, ang liit na malls, nagkuklose sila ng 5:30 ng hapon. So, it's really shocking. Ayan. So, bookstore siya. Ayan. There's nothing really much to see. Ayoko ng ice cream na masyadong malamig. Naghahanap ko ng ano yung cookies na Korean. Cheese sand ba yun? Annyeonghaseyo! Eh, meron kaming ano dito, parang Korean shop. Eh, this year lang to siya nagbukas, actually. Ang hinahanap ako eh. Wala siya.
Also have a video of turning 14 and like
Good afternoon. Actually, we didn't do much today. It's Sunday. Well, actually, I did a lot today. So first things, as you saw the video a while ago, I did the mowing today. So naglawn ako ng mow. Yan. Actually, nag-enjoy ako. I really enjoyed it. Sabi ko kay Ronald, I told Ronald, maybe next time I'll do it. You know, you don't really have to force me or tell me. I might actually be doing this often. I really enjoyed mowing. It's my new found love or hobby. Wow, I really enjoyed it. You know, I don't know, these are the things I quite enjoy. Yung organizing stuff, Sometimes I do find, especially when I'm in a very good mood, I really enjoy cleaning the house. Anyways, it's just I'm just quite happy today. I'll show you a clip. I don't know if it's after this or before this. A clip of what me and Louis did today. So we had a bit of a date. Sometimes do that every 6 or 7 weeks. We both just go out together, girls. We eat and yeah. So what I did was, the um, grass clippings, I placed it here because it will dry out anyway. We didn't get the chance to finish this over the week. Ronald's lower back is not well. It's a bit sore. Masakit daw yung likod niya. So we just decided to take a little break. And I mostly did the things that needs to be done. So did everything, did the laundry, cleaning, lawn mowing, lahat. Again, so I actually just need this part to be done. So again, a while ago, Louie and I went for our laser appointments, so laser hair removal, and I can't sweat for the next 24 hours. So no, because if only kung okay lang, baka nandito na naman ako ngayon. Gumagawa na naman ako. Anyway, so ayan, nakakatawa siya. So ayan, nilagay ko ng lawn clippings dyan. So actually mabubulok yan sila. And pag nabubulok yan sila, that is actually quite a good one to para mag-fertilize ng lupa mo. Kasi magiging lupa din yan sila eh. Naka-convert sila to lupa pag mabulok, pag maano na sila, nag-decompose na sila. So that's actually part of your compost. Kasi that surface there will dry out. And napapansin namin, gusto din namin kasi baka kulangin yung compost namin. So kaya naglagay din kami niyan. And yung part na yan, yung harap ng bahay namin, may lawn pa doon. So gagawin namin yun. And yun lang yung update ko this for the greenhouse. Hopefully maging maayos na si Ronald. Ayan. So na-lining ko na siya. Lahat napuno ko na ng lining. So, malaki na yung nagawa ko. Right. So that's our weekend. And, naantok ako. Siguro pagod na din talaga. Yan. Good night. Hey everyone, I just literally finished putting the compost on the raised beds. Wow, it's hard work. Although Ronald did help me quite a bit a while ago. He helped me with the mulch. Hinihingal pa ako. Ayan siya. So that is how it's gonna look like. There you go. Oh, it's coming. It's all coming together. Konti na lang talaga. No, I've just decided that Ronald just, get some rest throughout the week. Yan. Actually, tinaasan ko siya. Guys, if you can see, it's up to the rim of the raised bed. It's just that, so if, because through time, it will, if you water them, it will, kumbaga, it will have it will compact, they'll squish together. So liliit siya. Actually, kailangan pa siyang dagdagan actually. So, ayan yung natirang compost. Yan. Ang ginagawa ko ay, what I actually do, I didn't use a wheelbarrow. Because if I get it too full, it's too heavy for me. And plus the wheelbarrow itself is very heavy. So, I just use that small basin there. And I don't mind going in and out with just a small weight. Yeah, so that's what's left. And it's some of them are still gonna go to this raised bed over here. Yeah, so this is where we're stacking like dried leaves and everything for the meantime, because I don't know what I'm gonna do over there yet, but I do have a few things in mind. Also this morning, not this morning, but I also had I did my planning on what should I be putting side by side, which plant, what I can, like, I don't have that much knowledge, so I search each and every plant that I'm planning to put here with regards to companion planting. So companion planting, so ang information nun is may mga halaman na kumbaga kung ipagtatabi mo sila, kinukuha niya ng energy ng isa. So dapat companion planting is some plants thrive well when they're together. So parang ano lang yan, parang family lang yan, parang kumbaga, yeah, if there's like some plants should harmonize. Some of them, they help with the growth, they help with attracting, like some of like calendula, marigolds, they attract they don't attract, but kumbaga if there's gonna be like pests coming in too, they would rather go into that sacrificial plant, so that helps your plant. But yeah, just do search up about companion planting. So it's not that ano pala, I just realized it's not that easy to just plant as you want. Hindi, you have to think about it, because some take away the energy from each other. So ganun siya, may ganun din pala sa kanila. Parang buhay lang din siya. Ayan. There you go. So that's it for tonight, guys. And I hope you enjoyed our vlog. Putol-putol siya. It's like, an installment. But then, it's all coming together. We only are just about to do these. Right. So, hindi kami masyadong nakakagawa ng mga kailangan namin gawin dito. Kasi we have work. We have other things to do. And gaya ngayon, I finished work at about 4. So I head on straight. No, we had dinner first. And then I head on straight here, doing this. And Ronald, siguro naawa siya sa akin. So tinulungan niya ako for a bit. He's just resting for a wee bit. Because I just want him to rest. Because he's worked so hard. And ayan, so good night everyone. And God bless. Bye!